So businesses sometimes come to Peaches and Pen, and they will come with a corporate profile all completely prepared, beautifully written, and they would say, please Shireen, please help us make this better. A lot of money has been spent, but it's not the outcome that they desired. But they'll also come and tell me that they're out of a budget. So I will say that this is what you call as the firefighting phenomenon. A lot of work has been put, a lot of time has been invested, and the business still does not have what they want in a corporate profile. So my name is Shireen, and I am the founder to Peaches and Pen. And today I want to share with you a couple of tips about writing a corporate profile should you decide to embark on that journey. So here's step 1. You want to introduce yourself. This is the place where I say you're earning the right. You're actually asking your potential client for their time. You're asking them to read the corporate profile. So there has to be something that you put in there to really earn the right for their time and their investment in reading your corporate profile. Second, you want to share with them your big why. Tell them what you stand for. This can be your mission, your vision, your core values. Put it out there. And this could be a way of you connecting with a target audience who may be sharing similar core values with you or principles. Step 3, don't forget your credentials. Don't be shy. Depending on the business that you belong to, the years that you have been working in your capacity and your mastery, you want to go ahead and share your business activities, maybe certifications and awards, your specialization. If you've been around for a long time and you can boast a little bit about your annual turnovers, your success stories, and you can just go ahead and ask your past clients for testimonials and permission to go ahead and list their logos on your corporate profile. Number 4 is to showcase your uniqueness. What is the point of writing a corporate profile when you sound like everybody else? I usually tell my clients, look, your competitors do exactly what you do. What you want to put in your corporate profile is what differentiates you from them. It's either something that they're not doing or something you're doing better. So go ahead and find out what that is and give a shout out to your client why you are the best person, because everything else is a norm in the market. And finally, very few people actually care to read. Today, with the advent of the digital economy, everybody wants it fast. So go ahead and make it super easy to read. Make sure that you're working with a very good designer who can keep your corporate profile clean and presentable. And have your writer continuously kiss, which is to keep it short and simple. Avoid all the jargons. Be really clear on the choice of words and keep it succinct. And finally, please be up to date. Corporate profiles are actually a living organism. It morphs and it moves with your business. So be alert to the trend, be up to date, and share with your potential audience what you have been doing since the inception of your business. So yeah, hope that helps you a little bit about writing a corporate profile that works, and to be really purposeful when you write a work to enroll your potential clients. And if you have any thoughts, comments, or questions, feel free to drop us a line in our email, hello@peachesandpen.com, or you can go ahead and WhatsApp me at 019-388-1774, or you can leave a comment at the comment box below. Happy writing.